Hello dear student, we are studying general science as well as physics and today's topic is zero error on vernier caliper. In the last video, we have a study about what is vernier caliper, its uses and its measurement. So today's topic is what is zero error on vernier caliper. So what is zero error on vernier caliper? This topic belongs to engineering also. So, in vernier caliper, if the zero of main scale and zero of vernier scale do not coincide to each other is called zero error on vernier caliper. For this, we draw a one main scale and one vernier scale. Now we put the reading of main scale. So main scale is generally in cm. The main scale division generally in cm. 1 cm, 2 cm like that. Its least count 0.1 cm. Now here vernier scale division. So we can see the main scale division and vernier scale division which has 0 do not coincide to each other, and this one is zero error. You can see in diagram. So this one is called zero error because the main scale 0 and vernier scale 0 do not coincide to each other. So this is called zero error on vernier caliper. We can define like this: when 0 of vernier scale and 0 of main scale do not coincide, then the instrument is said to have a zero error. Zero error can have in any instrument, not only in vernier caliper. So zero error is when 0 of vernier scale and 0 of main scale do not coincide, then the instrument is said to have an zero error. There are two types of zero error. There are two types of zero error found in vernier caliper. So first is positive zero error and second one is negative zero error. Positive zero error and second negative zero error. What is positive zero error? So positive zero error means if when the zero of vernier scale is on the right side of zero of main scale is called positive zero error. It means the main scale 0 start before the vernier scale 0. When the 0 of vernier scale is on the right side of 0 of main scale is called positive zero error. You can see in diagram. For this detail, you can see in diagram how will positive zero error found. So this one is main scale and one will draw the vernier scale. So this one is main scale reading 0, 1, 1 cm, 2 cm like this will go. Now we draw a vernier scale. So this one is vernier scale. Now we will see the positive zero error. So for this vernier scale 0 will start after the main scale 0. That means this gap between main scale 0 and vernier scale 0 is called positive zero error. This one is positive zero error. So you can see the vernier scale 0 start after the main scale 0. It means the vernier scale 0 is on the right side of the main scale 0. So is positive zero error. Next one is negative zero error. So negative zero error means just opposite of positive zero error. It means the vernier scale 0 is left side. the vernier scale 0, when the vernier scale 0 is on the left side of 0 of main scale, is called negative 0 error. When the 0 of vernier scale is on the left side of 0 of main scale, is called negative 0 error. It means the vernier scale 0 start before the main scale 0. You can see in diagram. So for this we draw a main scale and one is vernier scale. This one is main scale division. In case of 95% cases, the vernier scale, the main scale least count is 0.1 cm and its reading is generally in cm. So we found a negative 0 error. So this 0 will be in the vernier scale 0 will be before the main scale 0. So here negative 0 error is found. So this one is negative 0 error. You can see the 0 of vernier scale is left side of 0 of main scale. So this is the vernier scale. This is called negative 0 error. Now correct reading. Correct reading equals to total reading minus 0 error. Total reading minus 0 error. Where total reading equals to MSR plus VSR. Where MSR is equals to main scale reading and VSR is equals to vernier scale reading. Now, how will find the 0 error? For this, we see the how will find the 0 error. So now we draw again a main scale and one vernier scale. This one is main scale and this one is vernier scale. Now we put the main scale division and vernier scale division. 0, 0.1 cm, 0.5 cm like that, and this one is 1 cm. Next one is 2 cm. Now we find the positive 0 error. So it will start right side of main scale 0. The vernier scale 0 will be right side of main scale 0. So here the gap of main scale 0 and vernier scale 0 is called positive 0 error. So this one is positive 0 error. Now we see the vernier scale 0 where will coincide the main scale reading. So it will be positive 0 error. Positive 0 error. So positive 0 error is equals to least count into coinciding division of vernier scale. It is the formula for positive 0 error. Positive 0 error is equals to least count into coinciding division of vernier scale. This one is positive 0 error. So now we count the vernier scale division. So when we count the vernier scale division, after that we multiply to least count. So this will be positive 0 error. Least count of vernier scale is generally 0.01. So here we count the vernier scale division. So vernier scale division is not this one, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after 5 division, its division coincide to main scale. So 0.01 into 5 is equals to 0.05 cm. So it's called positive zero error. Now negative zero error. So what is negative zero error? Negative zero error is least count into coinciding division of vernier scale is the same as positive zero error, but this sign will be opposite to positive zero error. So negative zero error. For this we draw a one scale and one vernier scale, one main scale and one vernier scale. Now for this scale we will find the negative zero error. So the vernier scale 0 will be left side of the main scale, and this gave is negative zero error. After that, when the coinciding division of vernier scale mesh to main scale, then it will be count to and multiply by least count. Anywhere can coincide the main scale division and vernier scale division. It is not a perfect. So this one is negative zero error. And now we will count the vernier scale division. After that we will find the negative zero error. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lakh. So negative zero error is equals to LC is equals to 0.01 into 5 is equals to 0.05 cm. So this one is negative zero error. And this zero error only before measurement can take. Only before measurement we can take this zero error. In case of negative zero error, minus will be there. So negative zero error is minus 0.05 cm. So today's topic is zero error on vernier caliper, and its topic is over. For more updates, subscribe please. Thanks for watching.